Pues ya saqué todo lo que traía el humidificador. Y pues yo creo que me mandaron uno usado porque pues saqué todos los cartones y todo. Solamente vienen así los cartones. La bolsa donde viene el humidificador, pues todo bien. Pero donde venía el cable incluso venía con este tipo de cinta como Durex normal. Y yo ya he comprado productos de esta marca y no traen este tipo de embalaje. Entonces, desde ahí se me empezó a hacer como raro. Y ya que saqué todo, no viene el instructivo, lo cual también me hace pensar que o sea, que esto es usado. Y aparte, una de las cuestiones es que busqué por todos lados. Se supone que debe de tener un cepillo limpiador. Y pues no está aquí. Y cuando desmontas la otra parte, no está tampoco aquí guardado. Entonces no viene el cepillo limpiador, por lo cual pienso que este humidificador ya está usado. Incluso a lo mejor no se alcanza a ver aquí en el video, pero ya se le ve como poquillo sarro. Entonces pues voy a tener que regresarlo porque este no es nuevo. Y la verdad es que sí lo necesitaba por mis alergias, pero pues está usado, entonces... Y viene incompleto, o sea, todavía dijeras, bueno, viene con las instrucciones o algo, o viene con, o vienen todos los ¿cómo se llama? Todos los, todo lo que tiene que traer, y se supone que tiene que traer un cepillo de limpieza, pero no lo trae. Entonces, pues nada, así me llegó, usado.
If you're in the market for a new humidifier, I absolutely love this one. It is digital. It comes with an app. It has 3 settings: low, high, or auto. I normally have it on auto or low. And it has an app, which is great because you can adjust all the settings just from your phone. You can turn it on from your phone and see where the humidity levels are just all from your phone. The entire top of it comes off, so it's super easy to clean, which in the past, old ones that I've had were never easy to clean. They had just like a tiny hole where it was so hard to clean. You could scrub this one and then the whole bucket comes off too. But the great thing about the app is too, it tells you when to clean it. It gives you a notification on your phone, which is great. So it's not gonna get all stinky because you accidentally left it too long without cleaning it, which was my problem in the past. So if you're in the market for a new one, I highly recommend this one.
If you're having issues, and it'll say on the V app or whatever, there's no water, and it'll have like that red button there or something, the essential oils might be blocking it. So I washed it, I cleaned it and everything, and now it's fine. The numbers the number on here would only go like to 50 or like 55. I have it set to 60, and now the room's at 85. It works. I have it on auto. If it'll help anybody, because I know some reviews were saying that it wasn't working, and when I googled this brand, and I was wondering why it would stop working, the essential oils. So maybe I'll actually read the manual and put the essential oils on this little cap here and not in the water, because it's going to clog here.
I love this little humidifier. So it is so small, and yet you can see it working so hard right now. It is really easy to refill. I love that you can see how much water is left. And then also, whenever you need to refill it, you can just stop it, and you can take off the top. Super easy to clean the inside. You just remove it and refill, and then you are done. And it is so, so nice and convenient. I also love that once you get to a certain humidity, it automatically stops. And so what that means is that, especially once you get your apartment, your home to whatever humidity you really want, you actually have to refill it less frequently, which is really wonderful. Love this, couldn't recommend enough. It's just so cute in my space, and really does the job.
Alrighty, so this is the smart humidifier. It is so nice. I mean, it's got a max fill line right there. And then what I like about it is that all you got to do is boop, turn it on. I mean, amazing. I absolutely love this.
Alexa, can you turn on the humidifier? Alexa, can you turn off the humidifier?
Alexa, humidifier on.
Okay.
Hey Google, humidifier off.
Okay, turning off humidifier.
આજે નાનું નોજી નથી આવ્યો મને એમ કે પેલું બિઝી હશે કદાચ